friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to replace your old front gear wire and put new gear wire to the gear. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload a new video. So let's start. I have this tourney gear on my cycle. My gear wire is completely going to cut now, so I am replacing my gear wire. So first we should lose the handle shifter wires. So let's start. Take your toolkit and start losing your screws of gear shifter. Now I have finished opening the gears. Now loose the gears and keep the gear in first gear so that the wire becomes fully loose. Now remove this gear indicator strip. Now loose this nut so that you can easily remove the gear wire. I will be using this toolkit to remove the nut of the gear wire. You can buy this toolkit from Amazon at the price of 200 to 250 rupees. I will give the link in the description of this toolkit, so you can buy this toolkit from Amazon if you want. My cycle gear nut is a 10 size gear nut, so I'll use that. Turn the nut remover anti-clockwise so that the nut becomes loose. My gear wire is going to break now, so I remove this. Now cut the wire using a scissor or a cutting plier so that you can easily remove the wire from the wire tube. Now pull the wire from the shifter using a needle, tie, pin or any sharp thing so that you can easily remove. I bought this gear wire from a retailer shop. It costed me around 20 rupees. If you want to buy, I'll give the link in the description from Amazon to buy it. Now put this smooth-ended wire inside the gear shifter. Now insert the new gear wire as shown in the video. Now put the gear wire inside the gear wire cable. Set the gear wire correctly as shown in the video. Otherwise, the shifting of the gear will be not proper. Now take the gear shifter indicator strip and before inserting gear shifter indicator, shift the gear into third speed and put the gear shifter indicator as shown in the video. Now put the gear cap back on the gear shifter. Tight it using a toolkit.
days that pass on without a glance, fixed ahead. This was all like a dream in my head, something so out of reach, yet I can see it. Captured here in a mirror, we reflect the troubles that lie ahead. Time has come to arise again, 'cause I I don't wanna miss anything. The sun will arise, bring forth a new light. We can't see the morning if we close our eyes. Live to see another day, and so let it waste away. We dive right in with our heads to the sky and arms open wide to embrace this moment. Oh, we live for today like it's all that we have. This was all like a dream in my head, something so out of reach that I can see it. We dive right in with the troubles that lie ahead. Dive right in with our heads to the sky and our arms open wide to embrace this moment. Oh, we live for today like it's all that we have. We dive